Hello guys, in this lecture I'm going to share how you can start a animal video channel on YouTube without showing your face. So let's get started. This channel name is Top Things, as you can see on my laptop screen, and number of subscribers on this channel are 479k, and it's a verified channel, as you can see the verified badge provided by YouTube. Before proceeding, what this channel is sharing and how he is working on his channel, let me take you to the about section of this channel. This channel was started in August 2021. It's been around 15 months. Why 15 months? Because I am recording this video on November 2022. So it's been like 15 months or something, and he got around 300 million views within a year and 479k subscribers within a year. The origin country of this channel is India, as you can see here. Details, location India. Now let me explain what this channel is doing and what kind of content he is sharing. Let me show you his popular videos. This video of this channel got 42 million views, as you can see here. This video gained 37 million views. Now let me explain what this guy is actually doing. So I am playing one of his video clip, and as you can see, he is actually cutting down short video clips from long videos, long animal videos, and converting that short clip into YouTube short and simply uploading on his YouTube channel by using his own title and using these hashtags like hashtag shorts, hashtag facts, hashtag animals. This channel is not even adding any background music on his videos. He is just using AI voice generator and putting AI voice in the background explaining these animal videos in Hindi language, because this channel is origin from India, so he is using like his mother language or domestic language on his videos, and converting his videos into YouTube shorts and simply publishing on this channel. And because of this method he gained 479k subscribers and 300 million views. So I'm going to share more details about this channel, and before proceeding to the next lecture, let me show you one more channel, which is wildlife animal. This guy is also using the same method, same exact method, but without adding any voiceover. Yes, he is not adding any voiceover or any background music. He is like cutting short clips from long videos, long animal videos, and converting it into the YouTube shorts and simply sharing on his YouTube channel. And you can see his growth also. Let me take you to the popular section of this channel. Yeah, as you can see, this video gain 15 million views, this video gain 9 million views, this video gain 8.6 million views, and there are a lot of channels like these available on YouTube. These people are simply using the same method but in a accurate way with proper planning and proper blueprint. So in a next lecture I am going to share all the details practically, what they are actually doing and how they are creating their content. So see you in the next lecture, guys. Hello guys, in previous lecture I saw you two different YouTube channels. The number one is Top Things. This channel is sharing animal videos with AI generated voiceover, and the second channel is Wildlife Animal, which is simply sharing raw videos. Now let me show you how these two channels are creating their content for their Faceless YouTube channel. Okay, so for video editing purpose we are going to use Clipchamp, which is online video editor tool powered by Microsoft, and it's a very good online video editing tool available for free actually, and it provides so many features. You just need to go to clipchamp.com and you can simply sign up using your email address or your existing Gmail account. So we are going to add AI generated voiceover in our video. So for this purpose we are going to use Clipchamp. So first of all, go to app.clipchamp.com, click on create a new video, and you will see interface like this. Here you can import media, and here you can choose the aspect ratio of your video. 16:9 is best for long videos for YouTube, and 1:1 is for YouTube short videos, and 9:16 is also for YouTube short videos. So I am going to use this one, 9:16. For this we are going to require a video, animal video, and I am going to download it from this channel itself. So let me download it from here. You just need to put SS before Y of YouTube, as you can see on my laptop screen, and simply hit enter, and you will redirect on this website from where you can easily download this YouTube video. And we are simply hit on download, and our video is ready to download. Simply click on this download button. A pop-up will appear, and you can simply close this pop-up and go back to this tab, and our video is downloaded as you can see here. Now we are going back on Clipchamp, and we are required to simply drag and drop this video into this media. Okay, so our video is here for editing purpose. We simply click on this plus icon, and our video now added on the timeline. As you can see, our video is added on the Clipchamp timeline, and oh, it's added twice. So let me cut one video. Yeah, now we are going to add some AI voiceover in this video. So we simply need to watch this video so we can explain what's in this video. So we are watching it, and it's a honey badger, and he is trying to steal the honey from bees, and now he is eating the honey. So simple. So we, for adding voiceover, AI generated voiceover, simply go to record section, and here you can see text to speech. Click here, and now here you can type your speech, whatever you want to add in this video as a AI generated voiceover. And here you can see language option. You can add any language. Listen to this part very carefully, guys. I recommend you to use your home language, your native language, your mother tongue for creating voiceover. So it will be easy for you to define the particular video. As you can see, this channel is sharing videos only in Hindi language because he is originated from India, and he can provide good and all the necessary information inside the video in Hindi language. So I recommend you to use your own language. Like if you are from America, you can use English. If you are from Saudi Arabia, you can use Arabic. If you are from Nepal, you can use Nepali, etc., etc. So we are going to add some content here. In this video you can see a honey badger is trying to steal the honey from bees. This kind of video is very interesting to watch, and sometimes it's worth taking risk in life like this honey badger. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to the channel. So we have added the text. Now here is the speech speed. It's set on regular. You can choose fast and you can choose slow, but for explaining a video I recommend you to use slow speed of any video. And here you can choose voice. It's Jenny, it's a female voice. It's a guy, it's Amber, and there are so many AI generated voice you can pick from here, and it's completely free. You don't need to pay a single rupee or single penny on this website for using this feature. So simply click on save to media, and our voice is getting ready. It's preparing, as you can see here.
In this
Yeah,
video,
and it's now ready to use, but it's
In
a
this
20-second
video.
voice. As you can see, it's a 20-second voice, and this video is 12 seconds, so it's not a problem at all.
in this
Here
video,
simply
you can see
click on plus icon again,
in this video,
and our video is ready. And this voice is longer than the video. Simply use the video again and put here, and simply cut down the video till here and delete it. Simple. Our AI voice generated video is now ready to get published on YouTube. We have muted is its original sound and added our unique voiceover generated by AI. So simply you need to click. You can also put some text up here, like click on simply text. You can choose any text format. Yeah, you can simply add any text here. Click here, go to text. You can simply add your text from here. I am putting my own name in this video, so I am not going to publish it on YouTube. It's just for an example. You can put your text also, and simply need to click on export, and you can choose video quality 480 pixel, 720 pixel, 1080 pixel, which is HD. So you can pick anything. So editing on Clipchamp is very easy and simple. As I already mentioned before, that Clipchamp is a very easy to use tool. So you can simply take advantage of this free tool to generate AI voiceover and to start your faceless YouTube channel.